Alright, what is up YouTube? It's your girl Zan back at you with another video. Let's just get straight into it. Right now I'm starting off with a 613 wig that I bought off of Amazon. I will have the link in the description for this wig so you can purchase. I'm going to be using a door dye. I have Wild Cherry, Cajun Spice, and Orange Blaze. And we're going for ombre this time, you guys. So I'm just going to show you how to achieve it. So right here I'm just showing you the splotches for the colors, which I recommend that you do. You take a picture of the splotches once you buy the color so you can remember what shade that they are. Now I got the Cajun Spice and the orange just because I wanted a specific kind of orange, so I'm gonna mix the two for the bottom of the ombre, and I want the Wild Cherry as the base from the scalp to midway, and then the ends is going to be the orange color. So I'm gonna just start off by filling up a bowl with some hot water. A lot of people boil water, but I just think it's unnecessary. You're gonna get the same results whether you boil the water or not. So I'm just gonna use hot water to make this simple. I'm just using a plastic, the end of a plastic fork to spin it around, and I'm just gonna do it like a little test piece just to see how the color is going to come out. And once that I see that it's gonna be the desired color, I'm just like, all right, go ahead and get into it. Now to do the ombre, I'm gonna make sure that I'm dipping the top part of the wig only, and so I'm gonna hold the other end of the wig with my hands, as you can see me doing here. And you're just gonna do this as many times as necessary before you get just the full coverage over where you want that specific color. Now you're gonna see me dip this a couple of times, and that's just to ensure that the color darkens up to the red that I would like it to be. Now, once you dip, you wanna make sure that you are not wringing the hair out or manipulating the hair down to the other part of the wig, the end part, which you're gonna dye orange. You're just gonna make sure you're keeping it separate like so. See it? It's already got the ombre effects this. And as you can see, it has like some little light pink tones, which I ain't all the way mad at, but I'm just go ahead and re-dip it a little bit more just to get the desired color that I'm looking for. Alright, and as you can see what I'm doing here, I am wringing it out, and I'm making sure that I'm wringing it out upside down, that way I'm not running that color to the ends of the hair. And so right now I'm just separating the hair with my fingers, making sure I get all the ends together so they can all be properly dyed. So I'm just raking it out with my fingers. Just doing another little quick dip just to make sure I got the color everywhere that I want it to be. Alright, so now you're just going to rinse the bowl out, fill it back up again with some warm water, and then we're going to go with it with the second color. Now I'm adding in the Cajun Spice. And then I'm gonna add like a little bit of the orange just to make sure that that orange is popping. So I'm gonna add a little bit of the orange glaze, stir that up, and then I'm gonna dip the ends. And you'll see me holding a little bit of the ends at the tip, just because in my mind I wanted to leave the very tip blonde, but it was pointless because I'm going to cut it into a bob anyway. So yeah, but y'all get the gist of it. And that is pretty much it, you guys. I'm just going through and seeing a couple spots that I just want to dip a little bit more. So I just add a little more dots of water and I dip that section, and that's pretty much it. Water dyeing is so simple and easy. You're literally just dipping the wig in the water and letting it run its course. So after you're done dipping and everything, I'm just gonna rinse it off, add some conditioner, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I apply my wig. Alrighty, don't be coming for my looks right now, okay? I was having a bad breakout this day. I don't know what's going on. I was having a bad breakout this week, honey. I couldn't get rid of them small bumps to save my life. I'm going in on my edges with some Got To Be gel. I prefer the one in the black container. It's just a preference. I'm just gonna put it all around my edges where my hair is. And no, I mean, some people feel like Got To Be is a little harsh on your edges, a little harsh on your hair, but I just feel like as long as you're maintaining your hair and you're taking stuff out properly and you're making sure you're not snatching on anything, like applying a lot of like conditioner and stuff when you're getting ready to like remove the cap or remove your wig, you should have no problems at all. Like, as you can see, I still have my edges and I use it all the time. So I am just going to smooth that in over the cap. And I'm going to add some of the holding spray as well. So we want to make sure that we got a lot of hold. And I'm just going to cut out my ears on the sides. And that's just to ensure that the sides of the cap lay flat and are able to dry close to my hair so that it stays. And so I'm just gonna go and sit under the dryer for a little while and I'll be back. Head ass. I don't know if I thought I was a genie or what. Alright, so I am cutting off the excess cap. And then I'm going to be going in with some Ghost Bond and a rat tail comb, a plastic one. It's my favorite to use. Let me readjust this camera here. Y'all see, y'all like how I got that rigged on top of the paper towel thing in the bathroom? I got you, sis. Whatever to get this video made, you feel me? So I'm just going on my hairline with the with the Ghost Bond. I'm just smoothing it out with the end of the rat tail comb. Use a plastic one. They're easier to clean off the glue with. So you'll see me just working with the cap. You get some excess cap like me, just clip that thing on off and keep it moving, sis. And so I'm gonna apply about 3 layers of this. You're just gonna let each layer like air dry a bit until it becomes clear, and then you'll go in with the next layer. Alright, now you're going to see me use some of my foundation to put on the lace inside of the wig. And that's just to help give it the scalp-like appearance underneath. Match my skin tone. And here I am going in with the 3rd and final layer of glue. And after this, my camera kind of cuts. My camera is starting to go dead after this, so you're not gonna see me cut the lace off, but it's pretty simple. You just cut the lace after I do all of this stuff. Right now I'm just using the adjustments inside the cap that come with the cap, and I'm making sure that it's tight so you can get that snug fit in the back. And then I'm just going to match up the hairline with mine and lay down the lace. And it's super simple. It's as simple as that. That's why I wait to cut the lace, because you can use the lace to help you hold and guide the wig as you're trying to lay it against your skin, which it just helps a lot. So I wait to cut the lace or whatever. And then because this is 613 hair, I feel like wigs with 613 tend to shed a lot. So you're not gonna see me like plucking the hairline or anything, because I want to keep as much hair as possible. So after I cut the lace and I lay my baby hairs or whatnot, I'm just going to go in with the flat irons, and then I'm going to show you guys how I cut. Alright, and to cut, I am going to be using some edgers. Oh yeah, you can get these at the dollar store. You can get these anywhere for about 15 bucks. Super precise cutting line. So all you're gonna do basically is just comb out the hair and just measure where you want the bob to come to. And it's the easiest way to get a blunt cut when you're doing it yourself. You see it's on my head, and I'm going to be able to achieve a super crisp bob by myself, sis. Yes. And it's easy as just going with the guide. You're just following the guide all the way around your head. I literally split the hair in two and pulled the hair to each side on both sides. And you're just gonna, just angle your head where you can see from the front where you're cutting it. And I'm getting this hair everywhere, you guys. You're gonna see me go put on a cape because the hair was like itching and stabbing me. Yeah. So you're just going to use the guide from the back. As you can see, the line is super crisp all the way around because I had split the hair, and I'm just going to split the hair over to that side and use the back as a guide. You see how the back is cut there, and I'm just going to use that as my guide to cut the other side on around. It is super easy. You just get it clipped up. I wanted an asymmetrical bob, so I want it shorter on one side and longer on the other. It came out great, you guys, considering, you're doing it yourself. I'm telling you, it's super easy, y'all. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. And I'm just going and touching up with the edger just to make sure that the line is super crisp. And that's pretty much it, you guys. It's super easy, super simple to do. I hope this helps. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please like, subscribe, stay. There will be more content. I really love this. It's fall time, you guys. So I got my red and orange going on. I think I'm doing the thing. Love you guys. Peace.